Hi, welcome to JQTV, and we're at Kiwi Park, and someone works this side, but we are going to use it for our Monster Truck Challenge, Team Bone Shaker versus Team Ninja Turtle, and I hope you enjoy. This is Team Bone Shaker. We have Bone Shaker as the team captain. This motorbike one that I just got is a double pack. We got Teenage Ninja Turtle Purple and Baja Buster. And now we have Team Ninja Turtle, where we have the Orange Ninja Turtle, Gunkster, Bigfoot and Wild Streak. The first two is going to be Baja Buster versus Wild Streak. The rules are, if one lands on its wheels and one falls, this one's eliminated and can't be in the rest of the video. But if they both crash, it's whoever goes the furthest. The first one is Baja Buster versus Wild Streak. 3, 2, 1, go. What? Did he do a wheelie? He did a wheelie, didn't he?
Yep.
Oh my god, he's through. Baja Buster won that round, so he's going to go in the winners area that's here, and the death area is here, so he's eliminated. Next round is Purple Ninja Turtle versus Bigfoot. Okay, next round is Bigfoot versus Purple Ninja Turtle. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Let me check.
Is it a draw?
Purple Ninja Turtle went through.
Okay.
By a tyre, look.
Right, by a tyre.
So he goes in the death area and he goes in the winners area. The next round is Gunkster versus this one, the motorbike. So shall I say it like that?
Go.
3, 2, 1. Oh, wait. And it's an air for Bone Shaker team. The first hour of the tournament, I still think Bone Shaker's going to win though. Now he goes into the winners area and he goes into the death area. Next round is a championship round.
Go.
Next round is the championship round is team captains Bone Shaker versus Orange Ninja Turtle. I really think Bone Shaker's going to win this one. Wait, he won! He won! Bone Shaker won that round, so Bone Shaker is the winners. Now, it's going to be sudden death for the winners and not sudden death for the losers. First round is going to be Baja Buster versus Gunkster. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Gunkster won that. Sorry, Baja Buster. Now you're dead. It's Bone Shaker versus Purple Ninja Turtle now. 3, 2, 1, go. Bone Shaker's eliminated. Now this is the grand final. Purple Ninja Turtle versus Gunkster for the trophy. And let's go. Whoever wins the trophy. This one's been really good, but this one's been amazing. 3, 2, 1. And it's Gunkster that takes the win! Wow! What an amazing tournament by Gunkster. Now he takes home the trophy. Thank you very much for watching my new video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more content about Hot Wheels, Monster Trucks, Monster Jam, Monster Trucks, football and Nintendo Switch gaming. Bye!